Hello everyone, today's video about expand and simplify expression. Let's see first example. So here in this example we have a 2 bracket multiply by front of them number, right? So let's see the multiply first bracket. So 4 multiply by the 3x first term from the brackets, again 4 multiply by the second term from the bracket. So 4 times 3x, okay, and again 4 multiply by the second bracket which is second term which is a 2. So 4 times 3 equal to 12, and of course first term has no any variable, second term has only one variable which is a x. So x we write as it is. Again 4 times 2 equal to 8. Okay, let's see for this minus 3 multiply by this bracket. So here front of 3 is a minus sign. So we take not only 3 but we take the minus 3. So minus 3 times 2x equal, okay, now here 3 is a negative, 2x no sign means plus, okay, that is the positive term. So when we multiply the negative and positive terms, what would be the answer? If you have doubts, then look at this sign here. When you multiply the both terms are positive and we multiply answer always positive. When two numbers are negative and if we multiply answer again positive. So remember, when you multiply the two numbers and both have a same sign, doesn't matter both are positive or negative. If both are negative, still you have answer positive, and if both number is a positive, answer also positive. So in short, just remember, if both numbers has the same sign, then answer always positive. And from the both numbers, one number is a positive and one number is a negative, then answer always negative. Doesn't matter first number is positive or negative, that not matter. The matter just you have to remember that one number positive and one number is a negative, and if you multiply, answer always negative. So here 3 is a negative and 2x is positive. So obviously answer going to be a negative. Let's we multiply minus 3 times plus 2 which is a 6 and x right as it is. Again minus 3 multiply by this second term which is a 5. So minus 3 times 5 which is a minus 15. Okay. Let's we write this all 4 terms in a one row and then simplify. So 12x plus this 8 is a positive 8. 6 is x is a negative. So front of 6 is a minus sign. Also 15 is a negative. So front of 15 we put the minus sign. Let's we simplify. So here 12x and 6x both are like terms, but 6x front of them negative sign. So 12x take away 6x. Okay, so 12 take away 6 which is a 6 and x as it is. Okay, here 8 and minus 15 are constant term, so they are like terms. So let's we add and subtract them. So here 8 take away 15 which is a minus 7. So this is our final answer, 6x minus 7. Okay. Now let's move for the second example. Here first bracket front of it is a y, so we multiply by the y. Okay, not because y is a front of x this bracket, that's why I'm multiplying, but between y and this bracket no sign, it means we can say okay, that is the invisible multiplication sign, that's why we are multiplying them. See here between this first bracket and this x, between them this plus sign, that's why we are not multiplying. In case if plus sign is not here and it is a here, then we multiplying this thing instead of 5. Okay, so this is the things, but normally it is not given like that. So let's y multiply by the first bracket. So y times first term 4, again y times x second terms. Okay, so y times 4 equal to 4y. Okay, when we multiply the number and variable, then remember number always come first, then variable. Okay. y times x going to be a xy or yx we can say, but let's we write in a alphabetical order. Okay, let's move on for the second bracket. So x multiplied by first term, and see, front of this x is a plus sign, right? So x is a positive, so no need to write the plus sign if it is positive. X times 2, which is a 2x, again x times y, which is a xy. Okay, let's we write this all 4 terms after multiplication answer, write in a row and then simplify. So 4y plus xy plus 2x plus xy. Let's we collect the like terms. Okay, 4y has a no any other like terms, right? So 4y we write as it is. Okay, xy and xy, it's like terms, right? So xy plus xy going to be a 2xy, and here plus 2x has a no any other like term, so we just write as it is. Of course, you can leave like this answer, but normally I like to write in alphabetical order. So 2x plus 4y plus 2xy. Just I change the order. I write the first one variable terms and in alphabetical order. So x comes in alphabetically order first. So I write the x term first, then y terms, and then at the end xy term. Okay. So if you are leaving here answer, still your answer is a correct. Okay, it's fine. But just if you want to look your work better and presentable, then do like this. Let's move on for the third example. So here, the 3x multiplied by this bracket. So let's we get started. 3x times 2. 3x times 2, which is a 3 times 2, 6, and x as it is, because second term has a no any variable. Okay, again 3x multiplied by the 4x. So first let's we multiply number to number. So 3 times 4, which is a 12, and x times x going to be a x square. Okay, so here we done first bracket. Let's move on for the second bracket. Here remember, front of x is a minus sign, so we take the x as a minus x. Multiply by the 5x. So front of x no number, so we consider as a 1. So minus 1 times 5, which is a minus 5, and x times x is a x square. Okay, again minus x times minus 1. Okay, so let's first we decide what would be the sign for the answer. So minus times minus, when we multiply two number and both number has the same sign, answer is a positive, and plus number, no need to write plus sign. And x times 1, which is a x, no need to write the 1 front. Okay, you can avoid to write, that is the already invisible one we can consider. So let's we write in order. 6x, all these 4 terms we write in order. So 4x plus 12x square minus 5x square. See, remember, when we write this term, we remember what is the sign front of it. It is a minus sign. So 5x square is a minus, plus x. Okay, like terms 6x and plus x, which is we consider as a 1x. So 6 plus 1, which is a 7x. Here 12x square minus 5x square. So 12 take away 5, which is a 7x square. Okay, here you can skip your answer like this, but normally we write in a biggest to smallest in a degree, power of the variable. So 7x square is the highest degree in this expression. So 7x square come first, but it is a negative, and then plus 7x. Okay, but if you don't want, you can avoid to write that. Okay, I hope you understand. Please like and share this video and subscribe the channel. Thank you for watching.